the Pi network mining rate. Do you want to mine more Pi coins on Pi network? Are you struggling to get your Pi network mining rate up? Are you introducing people referrals and then they're mining at the end of the day, they're dropping out and you do not know what to do? You want to mine Pi coins the way you see other big people on the internet mining Pi coins at a higher rate, like you want to get this coins first. If this is you, if this is exactly who you are, and this is the situation where you are in right now, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, and welcome to the Pi Network Africa Community News Update. My name is Actionable. You can call me X. Yeah, X, like letter X. Makes my life and yours much easier. And welcome to the community. Today I want to talk to you about increasing your Pi network mining rate, or rather actually doubling. Yes, if you actually stick with me for long enough, I'm actually going to show you 2 ways that are actually going to 2 times, like multiply by 2 your mining rate right now. So yeah, and who am I? How do I know how to do this? Why am I yapping too much and talking too fast? What is happening here? And what is happening here is this person talking to you has been on Pi Network for the past 6 years. I joined Pi Network in late 2019. We were just transitioning. We were just crossing the million mark and we're transitioning. We were having from the 1.6 Pi per hour mining rate, base mining rate, to going to 0.8 base mining rate. And right now, the base mining rate, let me show you. This is my Pi browser. Let me show you. Right now, the base mining rate is 0.029, the most depressing number. And we never thought we would be here. I never thought. Because we were following the halving mechanism, but they changed all this. 13 days to Pi day. 2022, I remember, 1st of March, introduced what I call the drift. That is the declining rewards issuance formula. Changed everything. I think I'm going to do a video about the historical pricing of the historical base rate. If you want to understand about how the base rate has changed over history, please tell me. So the base rate is 0.029 plus the booster. Some of the boosters, now the boosters are here depending on your lockup period and security circle. And then down here we have the rewards. Yeah, down here we have the rewards. We have the reward. Now this is the node. I'm running a node utility bonus. I'm going to explain to you, and referral bonus and all this. I'm going to explain to you in a few, but this is what I'm running. So 2 things: how to multiply and increase your Pi network mining rate. But before I get to number 1, before I need to get to number 1, you need to understand, as I said, the base mining rate. What is the base mining rate? So the base mining rate it's basically the standard mining rate that everyone mines. Everyone gets Pi from the big pool that has all these billions of Pi network on the blockchain. So it's how fast I can mine and get and own this Pi on my phone. So if you wake up every day and tap your Pi mining app without even inviting, without doing anything, just you alone, if you're just watching me right now, you just downloaded it, you don't even know what's going on, I'm going to explain to you. Do not worry, you're in the right place. So yeah, so you can, if you just download your app and you know nothing, just start tapping, what you're going to earn, and I think it's just refreshing, what you're going to earn is 0.029 Pi per hour. That's what you're going to earn right now if you do nothing. But me, right here, I'm not earning 0.029. I'm earning 3.4737 Pi per hour. That is what I'm mining. And it might look like it's a lot. Like, I don't know. Even in future, right now, someone might come back to this video and look, oh my God, he was mining at 3.47. But yo, this is nothing. I was mining at 133 Pi per hour and I never took it seriously. I let it go. So this is one of the lowest moments I am seeing myself mining Pi. It is utter depressing, and that's why I've lost so many people along the way. Let me just show you this. Let me go back to my mining page and show you. Thing is, I don't want to tap here. If I tap here, the app is gonna hang. I have so many referrals. This app normally hangs on me. It's really crazy. I don't know. Yo, Pi Core team, if you can watch this, my app on my phone and the node and the browser, every app, so many referrals, it's hanging. So 8,221, but the people who are mining 651. So a lot of people got depressed when Pi Network dropped the mining rate. Yes. And the introducer, I remember, drifted as in 2022, March 1st, 13 days before Pi Day. we were expecting to continue mining at 0.2 because it was there for the long, 0.4. It went to 0.2. Right now is 0.0. It's depressing, and you might wonder what's going on, and you might lose hope. And I tell you, do not lose hope. Right now is the best time to mine, and you cannot mine at a faster rate right now. So number one, to increase your mining rate, you need to focus on what it is here. It is here. It is called your security circle. What is a security circle? Security circle is a group of 5 people who are real people who have their phone numbers and you know them. Now, these are people who help you double your mining rate. So your current mining rate right now is 0.029, you see. But if you have 5 people on your security circle, I have 5 people on my security circle, and you see it's 100%. 100% meaning that I get another 0.029 pi per hour added, because it's 100%. So every person you invite on Pi Network as a security circle, of the 5 people, you get 20% from them, 20% of the base mining rate. So if you have 5 people and all of them come through, you've already doubled your mining rate. So you won't even get 0.029, you get times 2. That is 358 if I'm not wrong, 0.058 if I'm not wrong. Is my math is not good. Tell me in the comment section. I'm just yeah. So you will double security rate. It's very, very important. And these people need to be people you know. They need to be physical. They need to be people who have their phone numbers, and people who actually done the KYC, or they're in the process of doing the KYC. Very, very important. These people need to mine daily. Your security circle, if it's not strong, you're going to lose a lot of Pi. You will not mine at 100%. I think I have around 20 people on my list of security circles. So if one pops out automatically, it adds. I'm not sure how many people you can the maximum you can put on pending, but the maximum I know can be in a security circle of 5. You cannot have more than that. So make sure you go into security circle and clean it up. If you have people who are there who are not active, they are making you mine at a lower rate on Pi Network, and that is not what we want. That's not what we want. Now, the other thing that actually increases your mining rate, it is here, and it is known as the referral team. Now, the referral team is one of the most important things, and this is one of the most controversial things that is actually making and creating a lot of buzz about Pi Network. Because if someone invites you to the network and you actually do the KYC, you give them 0.25%, a quarter of the base mining rate. As a matter of fact, the people you refer actually earn you 5% more than your security circle. Because your security circle, you need 5 people to make 100%, because each one of them is giving you 20%. But remember, every person you refer gives you 25%, because you just need 4 people to make another base mining rate. So if you have 5 people, and that's what I told you, I'm going to promise to show you how to double your mining rate. If you have only 5 people who mine daily, who keep on punching that button daily, you're going to double your mining rate from 0.029. You're going to get another 0.029 from your security circle, and another 0.029 from the 5 people you've invited. As a matter of fact, you're going to get more because 4 people make a whole mining rate when it comes to referral. The 5th one now gives you another extra. So for me, you see, I have 654 people here, and my mining rate, and all of them give me this is a multiplier of 163.5 multiplier effect. I'm also running a node. That's another thing that can help you now increase and add more triple. Now, this is I told you twice. I told you two things are going to double. As a matter of fact, I think I lied. This is going to triple. Now, this is going to triple. It's not even double. It's going to, you see, I'm over delivering here. Come on. This is the point you actually subscribe. If you're watching me after this point and you've not subscribed, I do not know why you haven't helped growing this. And I'm going to tell you why it's very, very important. It's going to actually help you earn more. So the node is another one. The node is another one that helps you. The node is basically running this app on the Pi browser and the mining app on your computer. Just open it up, run it. You're going to see how to run the node. You're going to download something known as a Docker that's going to help now run all this processes and all this. It's a very simple, straightforward way. It's very simple. So it adds in all this accumulatively now add up they do add up and give me the reward, the boosters. So the boosters and the rewards here multiplied by the base rate boosters reward now gives me a total of this. And that's how you actually multiply. But let me show you. I think I lied. I told you I'm going to show you 2 ways of multiplying: security circle, your referral program. But I showed you the node. The node is another way that you can multiply. But this is 3. Let me show you another one, the 4th one, because I'm that guy and you're still here. I said 2, but I'm going to deliver 4. Now the 4th one then actually helps you earn more. Come here. No, wait, the node. I said the node, but there's something I didn't show you here. There's something I purposefully skipped. Let's go back here. There's something known as the utility bonus. I have a lower utility bonus, but I normally have a higher one. Now, this is a secret, a very big secret. A lot of huge miners, people who mine and get a lot of mining rate, like I am mining, keep to themselves. They never tell. So what is this? What is this utility bonus? So Pi Network has an ecosystem. Let me take you there. This is the Pi browser. Make sure you download the Pi browser. Yeah, come to the Pi browser. Come down here where it says ecosystem. When you click it, it's going to take you somewhere. It's going to take you here. You're going to see these apps, like the map of Pi. Like the map of Pi here. If you click the map of Pi, go through it, open it up, go through it. Yes, I don't know why it's saying unverified, but it's verified. Go through it, see what's happening, search, just engage. You see, just engage with this map of Pi. Search for seller. Just go through it. Just go through it. This application, this is utility. This is what it means. When you do this, when you start going through these apps, you're noticing that you're earning more Pi. Your Pi mining rate will actually go up. Let's go back here to the chat. You go back to the chat and you start chatting with people. You open it up. And this is the trick a lot of people do not tell you. So you come here to the chat, like what's happening today, node accounts, and all this. This is the Pi Network community, and I don't know why the Pi core team doesn't really speak so much about this. You come here, KYC community tips. Guys are talking about the tips. If you actually go here, if you're really struggling about the KYC and you are struggling, you don't know what's going on, you come here and see what people are saying. Hey, dear Pi Network, I'm reaching out regarding KYC status. There's been tentative state. People are talking, and everyone is talking about their issues all through. If you come here, you'll see everything. And once you engage with this application, you're using, this is a form of incentivizing utility, making sure that Pi Network actually uses the app. So if you start using this app, you'll start noticing that your mining rate goes up. If you do not use these apps, nothing will happen. Go to these apps, start following people. Yes, you can follow people. And if you're at this point right now and you're not following me, I don't know why you're not following. Let me just show you something. Come here to your profile. Where is my profile? Home. Let's go. Let's go home, and then let's go to profile. Yes, profile. And this is my profile. Follow me. I only have 42 followers. I haven't never pushed this. Follow me. I'm going to leave my link below in the comment section below. And another thing, if you're struggling putting up your security circle, remember, if you have 5 people in security circle, you're doubling your base mining rate. If you're struggling getting people in your security circle, comment your username. My username, just go and search XTandela. Put this are 2 words, but make sure you put it one. Like come here and search or just search XTandela. Just search XTandela like that. And then search, you're gonna get me. I think this is just me. I can't get myself. Yeah. But make sure you add each other. You can add people. Leave your username down there. People are going to follow you, and when they follow you, you can easily DM anyone here who follows you. You can come here on my friends. Come to like Alex Njoroge, and then you can message Alex Njoroge. You can chat with Alex Njoroge and say, hey, can I add you on the mining and in my security circle? Say, hey, hi, can I add you? Can I add you? And then you press send. And this is the utility. It looks really ugly. I know this community looks really ugly. The chat looks really ugly, but it works. It works, and this is how you get your community up and running. I don't want to make this video long, but if there's anything I have missed on this video, please tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to put up a video about the historical Pi mining rate, but make sure you follow me. Thank you very much. If you found value in this, please give me a thumbs up and join the community. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.